Hi Megha, good evening.
Hello. Hi, good evening, Subhash. How are you?
I am doing great. What about you?
I'm doing fine. All good. Had your dinner?
No, I haven't. What about you? Have you had?
Yes. I was so hungry. I was starving by 8 p.m. So I just finished. I had an early dinner today.
Okay, that's a very good practice to have early dinner.
Yes,
So
very
I'm
true. And
very happy
mhm,
to know that
mhm,
you are doing well because last time when we met, you were not doing well. You were
correct.
coughing or
Yeah.
some problem. Okay, nice.
Yes, absolutely. I had cold that time, no? So
Yes.
now I'm totally fine, all good. And I was okay within like 3, 4 days. I was up and running, doing my usual stuff. It was probably because of the weather that caught me.
Okay, so rain
Yeah,
now have ceased, I think. No more rain.
completely. No more rains. It has ceased completely. We have like, bright sunny days here in Bangalore, and I'm so glad for it.
Okay, that bright sunny days reflecting on your face. That's good.
Thank you. It's actually the tube light. So yeah. Fine then. At what time do you go to bed? Do you like reading a little before you sleep, or do you just have your dinner and you go for a walk? What do you do?
No, after this session, I
Yeah.
have my dinner
Hmm.
and just 10 to 15 minutes. Sometimes I see a book or even
Yeah.
a video if I feel
Hmm.
like, then I go to bed. Say at
Awesome. Same here.
11, between 11
Mhm.
11:15.
Okay, so you read a book, you at least you see some of the pages and then right. I have completely lost touch with that habit. I'm always on my phone before sleeping, and my mom is like, "You've become such an addict. Give me that phone." So
Yes,
it's like that.
that's actually very bad practice.
Mhm.
Even I also do before going to bed.
Yeah,
What I got to know from, I mean, from reading some magazines or like that,
yeah,
we should go to bed at least. I mean, we should have our dinner at least two
yes,
hours before we go to bed. And
correct.
before going to bed, we should not watch any. Uh, I mean, we should not watch television or videos. And if we
Yeah.
read any book, that should be a soothing one, not any exciting book, because that may
Mhm.
disturb our sleep.
Yes,
Say,
yes, yeah. So, have you ever had dreams about something that you had read just before going to bed? Something exciting that you watched, or something very interesting thing that you saw or read about? And when you went to sleep, you started having dreams about the same thing. Did that ever happen with you?
sometimes happen. I don't
Yeah.
remember exactly, but
Hmm.
sometimes happen. What I was thinking, exactly the same thing I what I mean, I dreamed.
Yes.
And once it so happened, at the time
Hmm.
I was child, and I was not. I couldn't find my fee card. You know, this we used to have a card from issued from the school where our fees for month wise they have recorded.
It was
And
noted. It used to be
yeah,
recorded in that small card, right? Yeah.
so
Hmm.
I was not finding it. So I was a bit worried where to get
Okay.
it.
Yeah.
Where can I find it out? But and later I dreamed that this card in a particular place,
Okay.
and surprisingly I found in that place. So that was one thing happened really. I still
Wow.
remember.
That's like a miracle, right? So
Yes,
fascinating. You dreamt about the actual spot.
yes. Exact spot, not even the nearby some place, not
Mhm.
that exact place. And yeah, that was so surprising for me that I still remember.
Yes, I think you can't forget these things so easily, right? It's like it's truly like a miracle.
Yes,
Probably
yes,
your gut feeling and your intuition were at its best that time.
yes,
Probably they
right.
must have guided you. Yeah, so true.
Okay.
And do you believe that we manifest our reality? Whatever we dream, whatever we keep on thinking constantly, do you think the exact same thing happens in our real life?
Yes, sometimes happen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm.
Okay. Has no. Whenever I see YouTube videos, right, this manifestation thing is becoming very popular. People are trying all sort of various techniques to manifest their dreams and their thoughts. Do you think it works like that? Just thinking about something can make it happen. Do you think it's possible?
No, no, no. Just mere thinking, it will not possible. You have to work on
Yeah.
that. Otherwise, it is
Yeah.
not possible. That is, if you are thinking something that you will happen like this, or you want to do it, then you have to work on that. Otherwise,
Correct.
automatically it will not happen.
Yeah. Even that's what I think. But then I hear all these stories and testimonials of people who say that they've just manifested their dream life by writing about it or by dreaming about it. I get really curious. Like how much, like how is it possible? So I am so confused about this.
Okay.
Okay.
Few days
And
back, I read one book. It is uh, about some place in Karnataka. Not about a
okay.
place, but
Mhm.
it based on in Karnataka. So I just
Okay.
wanted to, since you are from Karnataka, so I just
Yeah.
wanted to ask you. In that book, I got to know about a food. This is called ragi ball. Have you heard about that?
Yes, we call it ragi mudde. Mudde means ball.
Okay.
Yeah. So it is extremely popular. It's an extremely popular dish, and I think the farmers here, right? They have it regularly for their lunch, for their breakfast. It's high on iron content because ragi is very high on iron content, right? It keeps them fully energetic all throughout the day, and it's a crowd pleaser here in Karnataka, especially in Mysore.
Okay. So made of
Yeah.
what stuff it is?
It is made of ragi flour, that dark brown color flour that we get made out of ragi.
Okay.
And some people, it's very simple, and then they put salt, and some people even mix cooked rice in it, and it gets and put water, and it gets that very sticky consistency, and they turn it into a ball, and they shape it into a ball and have it.
Okay.
Yeah. So, did you see the pictures of that as well, or did you just read about it?
Only read. There was no picture. It was
Hmm.
a book. It's a book written by Sudha Murthy,
Okay.
and in that book, so I got to know about this food. So yeah, I
Yeah.
thought you are the right person that I should ask.
Well, to be honest, in Udupi and Mangalore side, that which is my native, it's not very popular. But here in Mysore and the nearby regions, it's extremely popular, and it's very heavy. Okay, it's very filling. Like my mom made it for us one day out of curiosity, and we were not able to have more than one. It was so filling. So it's yeah. Maybe that's what gives them the strength to go on for the whole day.
Yeah.
Okay, which book was this, Subhash? Sudhamurthy's, I've just read one book, like How I Taught My Grandmother to Read. That is one thing I've read. Which book was this?
It was a house of cards.
A House of Cards. Okay.
So I like the book very much because of its it's very simple. The language that I mean in English, very simple. It is very easy to understand. So
Yes.
immediately I thought that I should read some other books written by her. So luckily I got another one. Now I
Mhm.
am reading that one. Luckily I got means from our office library. So I
Okay.
got another one. So now I am reading this one. The title of this book is Dollar Bohu.
Dollar Bow. That's such a unique name. What is the story about?
I have just started reading one
Mhm.
boy who lives in Bangalore and works in MNC, I think. And
Okay.
now from the company he has been transferred to some other place in Karnataka where he
Uh-huh.
got to meet one girl. Now
Okay.
this is up to this much only.
Mhm.
They just get to know each other, got to
All
know
right.
each other. Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. So this is also written by Sudhamurthy or a different author?
No, Sudha Murthy.
Okay, I must lay my hands on it. I think the way she writes, when you read the books, right? When you read the
Mhm.
stories, it's as if the thing is actually happening in front of you. It is that descriptive and it has that flow. And
Yes,
every
yes,
story has a moral attached to it, right? The previous book that you mentioned. Is it a
yes.
collection of many short stories?
No, 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 no. One story, one fiction,
Okay.
and It's very nice, and as you said that
Mhm.
mm, the book's carries a moral story.
Correct.
In that book, it was about that money is not all. Money does not bring happiness. Money is
Okay.
required, but
Mhm.
that was between. There was a guy,
Okay.
and he married a girl from a village. The village name called Allah Dalia, like that.
Mhm.
So
A made up name, a fictional name, I guess, right?
I
Probably
don't
not
know,
true.
but she mentioned about some places in Karnataka. So I don't know.
All right.
Maybe.
So maybe it's true. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Mhm.
So the boy, he is a doctor, and when he saw the girl in a village function,
Yeah.
went to attend a marriage ceremony. There he
Mhm.
saw the girl and he liked her,
Yeah.
and he proposed her for a marriage.
All right.
Yeah. So
Okay.
they got married, but
Mhm.
their thinking was different. Actually, the boy initially he was not like that, but the
Okay.
situation has changed him. Earlier, he was a
Okay.
very honest kind of person.
Mhm.
It was shown that he
Mhm.
was working in a government hospital.
All right.
So when the patient came to visit him, he treated them very well. Some of the patients even offered him fees. He did not take any fees
Mhm.
from them because he
Okay.
was,
Very charitable person.
yeah,
Okay.
because he was also getting salary from the government. So he was
Yes.
offering, he did not take. But later, he has a friend named Alex. He told him that it is better
Mm.
to start a nursing home. So like that,
Start their own nursing home.
yeah. So
Okay.
yeah. So he made him. I mean, they proposed that they should together work and start a
Okay.
nursing home. And for that, he should
Okay.
go for special training in
Mhm.
a foreign country so that people will have faith in him more. Faith.
Yeah, more faith because he's foreign educated, has an
Yeah.
international degree. Yes. Okay.
Initially was not ready to do this, but
Mhm.
there are some situations that something happened
Yeah.
in his life that
Yeah.
later he changed his mind because he was
Okay.
very honest and everybody took advantage of his honesty.
Hmm.
If there is something went wrong in the hospital, they would
Hmm.
put the blame on him. So
Okay.
he had to face some situation like that. And in government hospital,
Yeah.
after 2 3 years,
Hmm.
transfer happened.
Hmm.
So nobody wants to go live Bangalore to
Hmm.
other places. So everybody, whenever is any transfer order, they would go and meet the minister or
Yeah.
some other influential person, and
Okay.
they got cancelled their transfer order. But in his case, he
Okay.
could not do this because he did not have any influence or
Yeah. No
have any
contacts. No.
connection. Yeah, no
Yes.
contact with any influential person, so he could not do this.
Okay.
So he had to suffer for all those things.
Okay. So it's important
After
to be nice in life, but not so nice that people start walking all over you, right? There needs to be a very clear boundary.
so when
Yeah.
later when they started the nursing home, it
Hmm.
flourished, and
Wow.
he earned a lot of money. And
Okay.
then he just ran after money. If there is any
Okay.
patient, even if it was a poor, he did not leave him did not give him any concession or like
Hmm.
that. The
Hmm.
full amount. So
Okay.
his wife was not like that.
Hmm.
She did not like it.
Hmm. His
So
new
later,
avatar.
uh, so it so happened that they had money, they had fame, everything, but his wife was not happy,
Hmm.
and she one it so happened she was so frustrated that she
Yeah.
was in a kind of depression.
All right. Okay.
Sorry. And ultimately, at the later stage,
Yeah.
uh, she left him and went to
Okay.
her village.
Oh, I thought it's going to be a happy ending. I thought he will
No,
change
later,
himself.
no, later he realized when
Yeah.
she left him, and later he realized that the mistake that he were making,
He was
and
making.
then
Thank God.
yeah. And then he went to her
Mhm.
village, and it
Persuaded
was
her to come back.
the ending was like that.
Okay.
That she was in her village in
Mhm.
near temple, Hanuman temple, I think, and
Mhm.
there was a playground like thing, and there was swings. So she
Yeah.
was sitting on a swing, and
Mhm.
she was alone there, and
Okay.
suddenly she felt that there was somebody pushing from behind, and
Okay.
she
Someone is swinging, yeah, moving the swing. Yeah, okay.
then
Swinging it.
she looked back and found
Mhm.
her husband.
Oh, that's such a filmy scene, right?
Yeah.
Thank God. I thought it's going to be a tragic sort of a situation. You can
No,
take a moment. Do you need a break? Do you want to go drink some water?
no, it's okay.
It's all right? Okay,
Yeah.
sure. So yeah, when you said that she leaves, I thought, because see, I know these days not every story has a happy ending, whether in books or movies, they try to be very realistic about it. So these things, these sort of things are shown these days, na? So I thought, okay, probably she just leaves him and they don't meet, and this was a good
Yeah,
ending.
yeah, yes.
Okay, thank you so much for narrating the story so beautifully. It was a pleasure listening to this.
But I could not narrate it beautifully.
No,
Somehow
no,
I
no.
managed
You
it.
have narrated it really well. You have made it concise, clear, and crisp, and that's the best. I think you have narrated such a big story in a span of what, 5, 10 minutes. So that's commendable. I can't do that. I normally tell people the beginning and the end. Done. That's it. End of story. That's so nice, Subhash. And you said one thing, no? Money cannot bring happiness. It's required, but it can't bring happiness. Uh, somebody else said that. What do you believe? Like, do you believe that money can bring happiness, or it is completely independent
No,
of each other?
I also
What do you-
believe that money is necessary for our
Yeah.
basic things
Hmm.
and for a simple life also. But
Yeah.
it is not everything, and money cannot bring happiness. I have seen some families in here also in practical life that even
Correct.
one on my colleague also,
Mm-hmm.
he has everything. His wife also is working. He is
Correct.
working. They
Yeah.
have got properties
Mm.
and car, buildings, flats, everything. But they are not happy because of their son.
All
There is
right.
some problem with him. So that is what
Okay.
money cannot bring happiness. You have
Mm.
everything, you have no problem. But I mean, in terms of money, you have no problem.
Mhm.
But
Yeah.
you are not happy. So I
Okay.
always think that I don't want much, but the peace and happiness is required.
Very true. It's paramount actually. The peace of mind, especially in these days when there is so much chaos around us, finding that uh, stability of mind, that peace, it's so important.
Yes, right.
Yeah. And when I say the word magic, right, what comes to your mind?
Magic thing, something suddenly appeared in front of me, which I was not expecting, or I got surprised to see that one. How come it has appeared here like that?
Okay. And if you had a magic carpet, like Aladdin, for example,
Mm.
okay, where would you like to go to?
Magic carpet, if I had got, as I right now I can think of only the places I like to visit, not any
Mhm.
particular place, but I like
Mhm.
to visit new places. So I would have used it for visiting the places from this to that place.
Okay. Would you be very discreet about it if people find out about this, right? Like you have a magic carpet and all that. So how do you think they would react? Would you charge money for people to take a ride on it, or will you keep it private?
Or if I had got a magic carpet and how
Yes.
I use it, when
Yeah. Would
if
you like
people
to
comes
keep
to
it
know,
very discreet, or would you like to make it public and charge people to, take a ride on it?
I think it will be better if I keep it to myself
Mhm.
and I will be using it for my purpose, whatever I needed. If
Okay.
not for any, I mean for any good purpose that I can do it. using
Okay.
this one. So if I
All
make it public, people will come to know, and they may want to take it from me by any
yes,
means. There are so
yes.
many people maybe after that one, and my life may be in danger. So it will be better to keep it secret.
You'll be the most wanted person on this planet.
Yeah. There will be many threats I'll be receiving. You just hand over it, otherwise you're going to be killed like that, or somebody from your family going to be kidnapped and
Blackmails, huh?
harassed.
Threats and
Yeah.
blackmails and so many things.
So you better
Mhm. And
give
keep
it
it
to
a
us
secret.
like that. Yeah.
Yeah,
So it will be better if
yeah.
if I can keep it a secret.
Okay. And enjoy your magical rides in peace.
Yes. Suppose I want to
Okay.
visit a place,
Hmm.
so I will use it and then it will vanish. Then again, when I will try to use it, again I will use it.
Yeah, so nice. So when it comes to magic tricks, right? So there are two types. One category of magicians, they use a lot of equipment, like they pull a rabbit out of a hat, or they do so many different things with a lot of equipment. And the other section, they can read minds. Like I've seen it on India's Got Talent, America's Got Talent. They know exactly what you're thinking. They tell you to think about a number, and they take a few moments, and they tell you exactly which number was playing in your
Yes,
mind.
yes, 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 yes.
So, which among the two fascinates you the most? The one with a lot of
The
equipment
second
and a
one,
lot of show?
the second
Yeah.
one that you have
Okay.
mentioned.
All right. So, do you think it's really magic, or do you think there is some strategy to it, some logic behind it, or it's pure magic?
First one, it's tricks, but second one, I don't know how they do it. It
Yeah.
is is very secret thing, because first one I know that they make some boxes that you mentioned about the rabbit, they pull
Yes.
out from the
Yes.
hat. There are
Yes.
some tricks they use it. Sometimes they use a special kind of hat where they can keep it inside and pull out
Yeah.
it.
Pull it out.
Yeah.
Mm.
So the second one, I don't know how they can do it.
Yeah, even I feel sometimes initially I used to feel like it is scripted. I thought it's some deal between the judges and these magicians. But then I see a lot of street magicians, right? They interact with random people walking on the street and they pull out these tricks on them. And all the
Yeah.
time it is accurate. So it's amazing. So do you believe that there are wizards and witches, etc., that are there on this planet, and we might not be able to identify them?
No, I don't have much idea. Even I don't think so also
Mhm.
whether, but how they do it, I don't know. Uh,
But whatever they do is good.
and I have seen one magic show by
Mhm.
PC Sarkar Jr. You know that
Okay.
PC?
Yes, I do. I do.
So it was a very fascinating one. I just
Okay.
could not believe it that I saw this man in front of me, that he was put behind inside a box, and
Okay.
they locked it with
Yes.
shackles and
Mhm.
using lock.
All the chains and shackles, everything
Yeah, chains.
completely
Yeah,
covered in chains, right?
everything.
Yes.
And it all happened in front of me. Then I saw the person is coming behind me.
Mhm.
We are sitting in the chairs, and the aisles. He came
Okay.
behind
Hmm.
and walked through the aisles. So it
Oh
was
God.
really fascinating.
Do you think he had a twin?
No, no, that's how did it, but really
Amazing, right? It's
amazing. Yeah.
literally goosebumps we get when we see these things.
Yes.
Yeah. I remember going to a magic show when I was very little, like in third standard or fourth standard in Mysore. There is an art gallery, okay? It's called as the
Hmm.
Jagan Mohan Art Gallery. And there they had conducted the magic show. I don't remember his name, but same as what you told. They tied up the person, they put him inside a box. It looked more like a coffin, to be honest, and completely chained the entire thing. And we could see him walking just behind us. Like,
Yeah.
walking like a complete hero, total like a hero kind of an entrance. So that was amazing. Yeah.
Just so in front of us, but he's coming from behind.
Yes,
Immediately, not very long. Immediately he was
absolutely. Not
coming
even a
behind. Yes,
minute. Very
yes,
few seconds, just a few seconds. I wonder
yes.
how they do it.
Yeah,
Probably some sort of illusion that they pull on us, and we are not able to identify it that quickly.
yes, maybe.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe they do it, as you mentioned, twins or some other tricks.
Probably lookalikes, people who look a
Lookalike,
little bit
yeah,
like
lookalike.
them, their
Mm-hmm.
assistants. Yeah, could be, could be. And if I ask you, what is the most magical moment of your life? What incident comes to your mind?
Magical moment. No, I cannot recollect it now.
Okay. Magical as in you felt really nice, it felt very unreal, but something really great was happening to you that felt unreal at that moment. So, any magical moments that you can think
No, I don't remember anything of
of?
that
Okay,
sort. Yeah.
fine. No, no worries. Okay. But yeah, talking to you, I think that magic show memory, it was deep hidden in my brain. I had completely forgotten about it. Now, suddenly, when you mentioned, I was like, oh, yes, even I have been to one. So, all right, nice, nice talking to you, Subhash. And what else? I think I'll leave you to have your dinner, but still we have a little bit of time left, under a minute. So if you have any queries or questions for me, please feel free to ask.
No, it's okay. So it always been a very good moment. So when I speak
Same,
to
here,
you,
same.
so you are a very good tutor. You always,
Thank you.
as usual, make us speak. That is a very nice thing.